In my home, there is no humidity. You need to do this in your house. First, take a small plastic container or a small glass jar. Fill it with salt. Regular, inexpensive table salt works perfectly, or you can use sea salt. It has cleansing and moisture-absorbing properties. Next, pour a capful of fabric softener into the container with the salt. It should have a pleasant floral scent. The next ingredient is alcohol, which provides disinfecting and antifungal properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons into the container. Place this container by a window or leave it in any room. It will emit a lovely scent, and everyone will ask what smells so good. Additionally, its main job is to absorb excess moisture. In my home, you can immediately feel the difference. The air is fresh and the floral scent lingers in every room. Be sure to try this simple method and see for yourself how quickly it works.